Hatch lift supports, also known as rear struts or shocks, are gas-charged components that assist in opening and closing your 2000 to 2006 Chevy Suburban's liftgate. They prevent it from slamming shut by providing tension. These supports wear out over time, typically lasting 10 to 15 years. Symptoms of failure include slow liftgate operation, uneven closing, or complete failure. Safety first. Always use a prop rod to support the liftgate before starting. Wear gloves and eye protection. Gather your tools: 10mm and 13mm sockets, a ratchet, and WD-40. Removal: open the liftgate and secure it with the prop rod. Locate the ball stud clips at both ends of the old strut. Depress these clips to release the strut. A pry bar may be helpful. Be careful, as the liftgate will be heavy without support. Dispose of the old struts responsibly, as they contain pressurized gas.